Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Marina. So today we're in Bloxberg. So I'm going to be doing a house tour and all my Bloxberg outfits tour. I actually have very little Bloxberg outfit. So yeah. I think I've done a house tour before already, but I wanted to do another one. So yeah. Anyways, let's go on with my outfits. So this one here that I'm wearing right now, this is actually my Roblox character outfit. And then this is my comfy clothes. I absolutely love this outfit. It's like so comfortable and it's just so aesthetic. I just love this outfit. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and shower though. Like my Roblox character is like really dirty, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So the next outfit is my club outfit. So when I go to like a nightclub and stuff, I'll use this outfit. I think it's like so cute and has like the club vibes. And then my last outfit is my pajamas. I actually found this coat somewhere on YouTube, and I think this pajama is absolutely stunning, so aesthetic, and I just love the vibes of this outfit. So yeah, I'm gonna change my comfy clothes while doing this because, yeah. Okay, let's get started with my house tour. So first, over here I have like my mailbox, garbage. And then over here I have this cute little swing, which I think is so cute. And then over here I have like some fence with some bushes and stuff. And over here I have this like stone pathway. And I have my car over here. There's like two lights over there. And there's also some like hedges and fences. And over here I have a welcome carpet, which is like blue. And I have a doorbell over here. So let's go inside. Okay. So first let's take a look at the bathroom. Over here I have a toilet and a kid's toilet. And then I have a sink area, and I have a bathtub over here with some fairy lights. Absolutely love the fairy lights. And I have another light here, it's so bright. And then I have a shower over here. Okay. And then over here I have some umbrellas, which is pink, and a light switch. And then I have this stroller over here. I love this color. Light blue is one of my favorite colors. And I have this really aesthetic couch over here. Let's take a look at the kids' room. So this is the kids' room. There's a baby like diaper area. And here's like the crib. There's a pacifier over here. Right over here. And there are some like these like dangling things on the baby like crib. And over here is like a shelf where there's like toys, like a little figurine, some books, and more toys. And over here is the bed. Okay, so over here I have this super cute carpet. Let's take a look at the dining room. I don't really use this dining room, but there's like some candies over there, a high chair, and some seats. Okay, and then over here is like the kitchen area. I absolutely love this kitchen area. So there's like some cabinets with nothing inside, and I have a fridge, of course, a coffee maker, and I have a toaster, a popcorn maker, some tea, ice cream maker, and a fire, and a microwave. And I have a washing machine over here, and I have a stove and a blender over here. So, and I have this like little like place where like I can make my food, and sometimes I mostly eat here actually. Then over here is the laundry area. So over here, of course, there's like the washing stuff, washing machine, some dirty clothes, a plant over there, and I have a sink over here, some books, and just like marble painting kind of thing. And then I have some books on top and a plant. And there's like these two, like chores list and rules, and some fairy lights. Okay, let's take a look at the living room. So I actually love this living room too. Like the couches, I think, are just so aesthetic, and there's like a little what's it called? A stool, and I don't know why my outfit is like currently lagging right now. Are they all lagging? No. Okay, I'll just change my roller character because I don't like it when it's lagging. And then I have a phone here, some books, and a plant. Over here is the TV or television. Then I have this super cute little fireplace. So take a look at my room. So over here, I have my dressing drawer thing, and a picture, some fairy lights, and then I have some makeup over here, and a computer, and a light, and a chair, of course. And then over here, I have my bed. I just love this color. I do not know why. And I have a light up there. So yeah, that is basically it for my Bloxberg house tour. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!